Meet Pete. He's living the dream, playing in a rock band by night and waiting tables to pay the bills. His only mode of transportation is his vintage single speed, and living with his parents, he needs his friend to drive him to his latest gig. But there's only so much space for a 20-piece drum kit. What Pete needs is a car, and lucky for him, buying a new or used car isn't as intimidating as it may seem. Pete's first step is to go to his credit union and apply for a pre-approval. A pre-approval will show Pete an amount he is qualified for and the rate that he'll get on his loan. The second step is to go find a car. Now, before looking for a car, it is a good idea to prepare oneself for the car salesman. Okay, so that level of preparation may not be necessary. When Pete starts looking at cars, he'll want to look up the value and decide if the dealership's price is a good deal or not. If Pete wants a used car, he should also consider getting a car history report. Helpful tip number 672. Negotiate. If you're buying a used car, it's a good idea to bring a lower price quote from another dealership. Go online and print out a few quotes and use them as tools for a better price. Pete's dream car turned out to be an affordable used minivan that could store his drums, not to mention that handy self-opening door. Since he found his ride, the next step is for his credit union to get Pete the money from his loan so he can pay the dealership for the car. He'll also need to call and set up insurance for his car. Look at that new set of wheels. Pete has made a giant step forward in his financial story. He can now tear up the town while taking his drums from show to show. There's no stopping this guy.